Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel where I unbox and review all things tech. It's KBB Alpha here, and today I got another one for you guys. If you remember, I did do a previous review on Skullcandy wireless headphones Hesh 2, and that was for my brother. He wanted me to provide a brief review and unboxing for that. Now, I liked it so much, I wanted to get one myself, and so this one is the Hesh 3. It is in blue, obviously. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this, and I'll show you guys what's inside. So this is probably one of the most beautiful packages I've ever opened here on the channel. That's not what she said, but yeah, even the Hesh 2, it was not like this. It was just pretty much a box, and we had to pull it out from the top. But this one kind of opens up like a book, as you can see here. Have the indents for the headphones. Now let's go ahead and open up the box here and see what's inside. I'm pretty sure it's just the extra cables and whatnot. Yeah, so here you have the 3.5 millimeter audio cable if you wanted to use that. You have the USB charging cable here, micro USB. You have the quick start guide. And you have the warranty. So let's go ahead and take the unit out of the box. I almost don't really want to, as it's very nice looking in this box here. Now let's go ahead and move the box out of the way for a bit. Now this is the headphones. Let's bring it up closer so you can see it. Now it is a matte finish. My unit is a matte dark blue or kind of bluish gray finish. I do like the color here. Now let's go ahead and just look at the exterior a little bit here. Moving on up, you do have the Skullcandy logo. I do like it as it is muted as well. You can only see it at certain angles, and it's not flashy, which is something that I really do like. Just moving up here, then going around, you have the Skullcandy logo again, and then just turning it over. Let's go ahead and look at the buttons here. You have the volume up, the on button, as well as the volume down, and the micro USB charging port right there, and the 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Now, I'm pretty sure this collapses. Yeah, okay, so yeah, it does collapse. It's perfect for taking with on traveling, putting in bags or backpacks. So I'll go ahead and connect this to my phone, and I'll see how this sounds like. Alright, so let's go ahead and try this out here. Now we press the power button. So now it's currently on, and now it should be visible. You can see right there, the Hesh 3. Pair it up. And there we go. That was pretty easy to pair. Now let's go ahead and listen to some music. And as always, Skullcandy does deliver. Again, it is really great sound. Just like the Hesh 2, the Hesh 3 does produce great sound. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the exterior first before I get into the songs that I listen to. Now, I most likely do have a big head because I did have to extend this to the max here. And this was the only way that it would fit. Again, a little slight issue, just like with the Hesh 2. Maybe it's just my ears, but they did fit here, but it was a tight fit. Again, these are advertised as over-the-ear headphones and not on the ear. Again, it could just be me. Not a giant by any means, but my ears did feel a little bit cramped inside here, but the foam padding is very comfortable. As well as the top foam padding here. Now, one issue I can see with this is that prolonged usage may cause your head to hurt a little bit. I was kind of feeling it after 20 minutes here. Maybe I just need to break these in, but they were pretty much squeezing on my head a little bit. Again, I probably just have a big head. But yeah, if you are like me, have a big head, just be on the lookout for that. Again, I'll try to break these in and give you guys an update maybe a week or two later. Okay, so on the songs that I listened to here, the first one I listened to was Starboy from The Weeknd. I did want to hear the bass, as that song is pretty bass heavy. Now, as soon as the bass kicked in, it was great. Like, I loved the sound of the bass, pretty much everything. I didn't use an app to enhance any of this. It was just through YouTube. I wanted to try this on its own. It was very good, actually. And the next song I listened to was Kill Switch Engage. I wanted to hear some guitars, some drums. That sounded pretty good as well. The vocals were really good. Again, I did not use any enhancements here. It was just from YouTube, straight from a YouTube video. And again, Skullcandy is known for its quality, and this one is no exception here. It is the same as the Hesh 2, pretty much, in terms of sound quality. Now, there's not really much more I can say about these headphones. They are a great pair of wireless headphones. Unfortunately, they don't have active noise canceling. So if that's something that you are, needing for a pair of headphones, these ones unfortunately do not have active noise canceling. There are other headphones from Skullcandy, however, that do offer that. Just this specific one does not. This is a great buy. If you're a first-time individual looking for wireless headphones, I would say this is a good product to jump into. Again, I know there are a lot of other cheaper or Bluetooth headphones out there on the market. I'll go ahead and post a link in the description below if you guys want to check these out as well. Alright everybody, so that was pretty much my unboxing and review here for today. If you like what you saw, go ahead and leave a like or even a comment or subscribe. And thank you guys once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.